Okay, we're doing the reaction for one guy, one screwdriver. I'm 11 and she's 14. And we're gonna watch the reaction real quick. Oh. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, that's too.
Ew, what is he doing?
I know!
Ew, he's touching the camera. Oh my god. I don't want to. Oh, no, go away. Oh, no, back up, child.
You might want to hold on, say hi to my listeners.
No.
Wow!
What is that?
Probably blood from what happened before.
In his bathtub. That's all
And
blood.
in the sink?
He is sick. What is wrong
I
with
don't
him?
know.
That's not normal.
Mm-mm.
Nobody. That's not normal.
That's not. It's not at all.
Whoever did that, he's sick. He has issues. Somebody needs to work with him. Call
And
him.
you see, they didn't show his face at all.
I know, right? Why would they show his face?
I
I don't want to see his
know.
face anyway. Because if I see him on the street, I'm gonna make fun of him.
I ain't you to do with one jar and the screwdriver.
Bye.